Hello guys, welcome back to Video Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to download Instagram Reels video to gallery with sound on your Android devices and how to do this up. So let's get started. So first thing what you have to do is just open your Instagram and just move to Reels and click on the Reels icon, and you just have to watch any favorite Reels of yours. So this is mine favorite and I'm going to download this up right now. So what I have to do is to download, I just have to press on three dot menu on the right side at the bottom. There is a three dot menu, right? You just have to tap on it, and what you have to do is copy the link. Tap on copy link, and once the link is copied, you just have to go back to the home screen and just have to tap on Google Chrome, and you have to search for Insta Video Save. You just have to search for Insta Video Save. You just have to search for it. Okay, you just have to search for Insta Video Save. Okay, you just have to search for it and just search for it. Okay, when you search for it, you will be getting the first one which is there, or the Reels download Instagram Reels video. Just tap on it. Just have to tap on it, and from here what you have to do is you just have to copy paste the link which you copied right now. So just paste the link, press and hold, and now you just have to tap on paste icon so that it will be copied, and you just click on download icon. Just click on the download icon. From here you just have to tap on download video, and now as you can see that it's getting downloaded. So just click on details and it is getting downloaded. So you just have to wait for the complete download. Yes, now let me open this. So as you can see that it is being played, right? So this is a reel. So I have reduced the volume because of the copyright issues, and also if you check in between, it will be available on your gallery itself. As you can see that it is available in the gallery itself, right? The same video. So I have reduced the volume due to copyright issues. So that is what it's all about. This is how you can download the Reels on Instagram with sound on your Android devices, and I hope this video is helpful for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.